let us study one of the most frequently asked examples based on Apollonius theorem. Very frequently asked example. Okay, so there are three identical examples. Two are exactly alike. One is given in a different form, but they are based on the same logic. Okay, so which are the three examples? These three. Practice set 2.1, problem number 4 on page number 43. Sixth problem on page number 44 and 12th problem on page number 45. They are based on the same logic, same way of solving. Okay, I am going to solve sixth example, that is this example on page number 44. These two I will explain orally and you will solve that as homework. Problem number 6 on page number 44. In triangle ABC, segment AP is the median, BC is equal to 18 given. Now this is the median, obviously this is the midpoint, so this will be half of BC. Now BC is given as 18, so half of that will be 9. So PC comes out to be 9. So we started the solution that way. In triangle ABC, segment AP is the median, therefore PC is half of BC, but BC is 18. So if you put 18 here, half of 18 will be equal to 9. So PC will be equal to 9. Now again I am reminding, if you are given a median, the immediate reaction of the brain, the reflex action should be, can I apply Apollonius theorem? Okay, and what Apollonius theorem says, it gives you the relation between four lengths, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, what is the relation? AB square plus AC square is equal to twice median square, that is AP square, plus twice PC square. We have written AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AP square plus twice PC square. But this total, the left hand side, the value of the left hand side is fully given, 260. Now this is the similar link, same link in all the three problems. AB square plus AC square 260, AB square plus AC square is 290, AB square plus AD square is 130. So all the three have the same information given. Therefore they are similar examples. Okay. So putting the value here 260, twice of AP square. AP we want to find out. The question says find AP. Okay. So we will keep AP as it is. PC is 9. So put that value here. So in this equation, now there is only one unknown. Simplify, get the value of AP, it comes out to be 7. Now the same logic is applicable there also. This problem and this problem is almost the same. Here it is given that this is problem number 4 on page number 43. In triangle ABC, AM is the median, AB square plus AC square, this is equal to 290. See, so what is the similarity we have discussed in the previous example? AB square AC square इसकी टोटल यहाँ दी है, यहाँ भी AB square और AC square की टोटल दी गई थी. And these examples have been frequently asked in the board examination. Okay, median AM is given as 8 and we want to find out BC. What equation can we generate using the median, using the Apollonius theorem? AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AM square plus twice MC square. Put the values whichever are given, simplify, you will get length CM, double that you will get BC. So it is very similar to the previous example asked, the previous example which we have solved. What is the difference? That the sum of AB square and AC square is directly given. Okay, so this example can be easily solved studying this solution, writing this solution. Now, the next example is example number 12 given on page number 45. Problem number 12 on page number 45. In the problem it is given that the sum of adjacent side, the sum of the squares of adjacent sides of a parallelogram. So we have drawn a parallelogram ABC. Adjacent sides, there are 4 pairs, AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DA, AB, AD. So you can take any pair. Okay, any pair. So AB square plus AD square, sum of the squares of adjacent sides. So adjacent side is AB and AD. Okay, so sum of their squares is 130. This is given. Okay, then it is given that any one diagonal is 14. So either you take BD as 14 or you take AC as 14. It doesn't matter. If one diagonal is given, second diagonal can be obtained. Okay. Now, what do we know about a parallelogram? We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So I am considering the point of intersection of the diagonals as P. So this is the midpoint of both the diagonals. So this part is equal to this part, this is equal to this one. If I consider triangle ABD and this is the midpoint of diagonal BD, that means AP is the median. And as soon as I say median, I can apply Apollonius theorem. And now I am not going to consider all the triangles. I am going to only consider triangle ABD. AP is the median. Okay. Now it is given that the full length of the diagonal is 14. So obviously PB will be 7 because diagonals bisect each other. Okay. So this will be 7. Now in triangle ABD, if I apply Pythagoras theorem, Apollonius theorem, then I get AB square plus AD square is equal to twice AP square plus twice PD square. Twice AP square plus twice PD square. This side is fully given 130. PB is given 7. So only one unknown is left. Simplify. Get AP. इसको डबल करेंगे तो AC मिल जाएगा. अगर आपने AC को 14 लिया तो ये 7 यहाँ जाएगा. Then also you apply Apollonius theorem in the same triangle. You will get PB. उसको डबल करो तो आप लोगों को BD मिल जाएगा. Okay. So you can consider any one diagonal and get the second diagonal using Apollonius theorem. So 3 problems are having the same information, AB square plus AC square. So sum of the squares on the left hand side is given. Okay. This has a slight extension that we have to use the information about the parallelogram, that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. So I have solved this example fully for you. Using the knowledge of this, you can solve these examples very easily.